Hello guys, good afternoon. Today I wanna discuss about the implementation of SNP in vocational high schools, unexplored challenge and personal insight. So, SNP is a framework has played a pivotal role in shaping the educational landscape of vocational high schools (SMK). While the impact of SNP is undeniably positive, there are areas that from my personal experience I believe have not been fully optimized. This article will delve into specific aspects of SNP, including competence standards for graduates, content standards, process standards, standard for education and educational personnel, infrastructure and facility standard, management standard, education financing standard, and assessment standards. Furthermore, the article will address the challenge in optimizing educational financing with funds intended for education and sometimes misappropriated. Competence standard for graduates. In my observation, competence standard for graduate in some SMKs may not be fully aligned with the dynamic demands of the industry. A more responsive approach to curriculum development is essential to ensuring that graduates possess the practical skills necessary for success in the workforce. Content standard. The alignment of content standard with the current needs of students and industries is crucial. In certain instances, the content may lack relevance to practical skills required for employment. Collaborative efforts between educational institutions and industries can enhance the effectiveness of vocational education content. Process standard. Efficient and transparent processes are fundamental for smooth operation of educational institutions. Streamlining administrative procedures and embracing technology can facilitate seamless communication among stakeholders, leading to improved operational efficiency. Standard for education and educational personnel. Investing in the continuous professional development of educators is essential for maintaining high teaching standard. Adequate support and training programs can contribute to the ongoing improvement of teaching methods and students' engagement. Infrastructure and facility standard. Addressing challenges related to outdated facilities or inefficient resources is crucial for creating an optimal learning environment. Adequate infrastructure and facilities are foundational for enhancing the overall quality of education in SMK. Management standard. Effective school management is pivotal for the successful implementation of SNP. Collaborative decision-making process, transparent communication channels can enhance overall management practice in SMKs, contributing to a more efficient and responsive educational system. Education's financing standard. One significant concern lies in the misallocation of funds intended for education. Optimizing financial resources is crucial to ensure that funds designated for education are utilized effectively, avoiding diversion for non-educational purposes. Assessment standard. Assessment standards should accurately measure students' progress and achievements. Implementing continuous evaluations and feedback mechanisms can refine the assessment process, ensuring alignment with the goals of vocational education. What needs to change to solve that problem? Competence standard for graduates. Industry collaborations. Establish partnership with industry to regularly update competence standards based on industry demands. Conduct regular reviews and consultation with professionals to ensure graduates are equipped with relevant practical skills. Content standard. Industry integrated curriculum, foster closer collaboration between educational institutions and industries to integrate real-world scenarios into this curriculum. Regularly assess and update content standards to meet the evolving needs of both students and industry. Process standard, technology integrations. Invest in technology solutions to streamline administrative processes. Implement digital platforms for communication, data management, and coordination to enhance overall operational efficiency. Standard for education and educational personnel. Professional development programs. Establish ongoing professional development program for educators, provide opportunities for training, workshop, and to exposure to best practice, ensuring that educators stay updated with the latest teaching methodologies. Infrastructure and facility standard. Facility maintenance and upgrade. Prioritize regular assessments and maintenance of facilities. Develop plans for infrastructure upgrades and expansion based on the needs of the educational programs and student populations. Management standard. Training for administrators. Provide training for schools administrators in effective management practice. Encourage collaborative decision-making process and transparent communications channels to improve overall management efficiency. Education financing standard. Transparent financial practice. Implement transparent financial management practices. Establish clear guidelines for fund allocations. Regular auditing process and increase accountability to prevent misallocation of funds. Assessment standard. Continuous improvement. Implement a system for continuous assessment and feedback. Regularly review and update assessment method to align with vocational education goals and ensure they accurately measure student progress and achievement. Conclusions. In conclusion, while SNP has actively transformed vocational high schools, there remain unexplored challenges in optimizing specific standards, addressing competence standard for graduates, content standard, process standard, standard for education and educational personnel, infrastructure and facility standard, management standard, education financing standard, and assessment standard collectively is essential. By recognizing and addressing this challenge, stakeholders can further enhance the effectiveness of SNP, ensuring that vocational high schools continue to provide high-quality education and prepare students for success in the dynamic workforce.